What just happened?
Bought it.
There it is.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Come on, Luna.
It's gonna happen today.
Bye.
That's right.
Okay, here it is.
What just happened?
Bought it.
What? Oh my god, you own a supercar with doors that go up. It's not gonna feel real till it's here.
It's not gonna feel real till it's fixed.
How did they notify you?
They didn't rebuttal it. They didn't notify me either. I just had to go look at it.
I know that. I'm making strokes on this TRX.
I got creative. I got creative, man. I'm still making strokes.
Did you?
Yeah. Alicia's gonna be looking for a coffee.
Whoa, did it say Alicia?
Yes.
Why did you read
You
that?
said Tyler. You said those are yours, and it's sitting right next to it.
No, she said Tyler and she pushed out his drink and I wasn't sure whose it was. Dude, why would you grab it and not read the label to see if it said Tyler? I just knew that his said Tyler and I saw you grab those. I'm like, oh, those must be ours too because I didn't know what you ordered. Alright, man. About to pull up, huh?
About to secure the bag.
Secure the bag.
Paid in full, baby.
Got it. Bag secured.
Not back secured yet. Let's get that thing on the tow truck.
No. They have their bag secured.
Their bag is secured, mine is not.
Yeah.
Hard on me. I'm like, hey, it's all good. She's like, no. And I'm like, why not? She's like, because you gotta be the owner of the account. I'm like, I am. She's like, let me see your ID. So I give her my ID. She goes, no, you're not. Melissa's Pantelli is, and I'm like, Melissa's Pantelli. I'm like, what the f*** are you talking about? And she's like, see, you're just too easy to get a ride on. And I'm like,
I told shit to her. I told her some disrespectful.
She's all, I don't know about that. Bye.
I told her no mama's book. That's what she said.
She probably liked it.
She's like, you know.
I'm trying to get unpissed off after the experience in the office trying to pick this car up. But Brian's calmed me down. He's got it under control. He's our driver / bodyguard / therapist. By some assholes at Insurance Auto Auction.
Yeah, no beautiful delivery and
That's pretty much how it goes. It sucks. It's a sucky process, but let's just focus on the bigger picture. This is what you have the car. So, whatever comes
As long as
with
those
it.
forks don't go all the way through the middle of it when he's bringing it over here, I will have the car.
wow, dude.
What do you think?
I'm stoked.
We're here?
I can't believe it. It's gonna happen.
Okay, so basically they're gonna bring it out, but we have an option. We know whatever we want them to do. They can set it on the trailer or put it down in front. However they're gonna do it.
You can't tell him not to pick it up from the back or something?
He can't tell them that.
Oh my god.
From the back. What it is.
Holy sh**. That's it. There it is. Oh my god. Bro.
Bag secured. What do you think? You approve?
Now I gotta give me one.
No, you're touching.
Well, getting it off is gonna be fun nonstop.
Is that damage in it?
Yeah, but not the whole board, just the bottom.
Can you roll down the window?
If I can get to the start button.
It's right there.
Huh?
Close it.
Look.
Yeah. This is crazy. I've never been up close to one. Never even towed one.
You never what?
Never even towed one. Towed
Dude.
Lamborghinis, Ferraris. It does get boring after a while.
Bag secured. I don't know what you want me to say besides I'm a little stressed the fuck out right now, and I'm excited to get it home and get it washed, get it on a rack, and take that freaking wheel off. It's driving me crazy as to what's going on behind there because you just can't really see it. But from what I see right now, I'm pretty encouraged about, I got a little better view with it on the truck here, and I'm pretty encouraged that the subframe and the carbon tub where everything connects to is okay. So. Whoa!
What is that?
What? Right here. Oh, lift it up, lift it up. Whoa, lift it up, strong boy. Huh? That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Come on, Luna, get out of there. What do you think, baby?
I like it.
You like it?
It's cool.
That's right. All right, step one, blow, 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 blow. And I know that's what my nephew Jake always says, but in this standard, we're talking about blowing all the dirt and crap out of this car.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Look here, guys. I'm not your typical supercar owner, all right? I haven't always had fancy cars. In my younger days, I started with Subarus, and I bought a $5,000 Subaru at auction to fix for my now wife, my girlfriend at the time. And that was the start of my automotive rebuilds and everything that I got into from there. It went from there to more fancier Subarus and lifted trucks, and I probably built 20 cars leading up to this. And we're here to show you, we're here to document this video, we're show you how it's done on a McLaren and apply all that knowledge and aspects that I've got over the last 15 years of doing that to this car and share it with you guys so you can do it yourself.